Millions of men suffer from erectile dysfunction, but most don't realize that powerful natural herbs have been used for centuries to improve male performance safely and effectively. Some of these herbs can improve blood flow, increase testosterone, and restore confidence naturally, without harmful side effects. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful herbal remedies that can help fix erectile dysfunction naturally. And stay until the end, because I'll show you a free AI tool that finds the best herbal remedy specifically for your body. Erectile dysfunction is often caused by poor blood circulation, low testosterone, stress, diabetes, or blocked blood vessels. An erection depends on healthy blood flow. When blood flow is weak, erections become weak. Many herbs work by improving circulation, boosting testosterone, and supporting overall male health. Let's start with one of the most powerful herbs. Ashwagandha is one of the most powerful herbs for male performance. It helps increase testosterone levels, reduce stress, and improve sexual function. Studies have shown that men who use ashwagandha experience improved strength, stamina, and erection quality. Panax ginseng is often called natural Viagra. It improves blood flow and helps men achieve stronger and longer-lasting erections. It also boosts energy and stamina. Horny goatweed has been used for centuries to improve male performance. It contains a compound that improves blood circulation and supports erection strength. It also helps increase libido. Maca root improves sexual desire, stamina, and energy levels. It helps balance hormones and improve sexual performance naturally. Many men report increased libido after using maca root. Tribulus terrestris helps increase testosterone naturally. Higher testosterone improves erection quality, libido, and overall performance. Black seed improves blood circulation and supports heart health. Better circulation means stronger erections. It also improves overall male vitality. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow to all parts of the body. This helps men achieve and maintain stronger erections. It is especially helpful for men with circulation problems. Now, every man's body is different. The best herb for one person may not be the best for another. That's why we created a free, AI-powered herbal tool that analyzes your condition and recommends the best herbal remedy for you. Simply visit aiherbalist.pro. Enter your condition, and the AI will instantly recommend the best herbs for your specific needs. The link is in the description below. Natural herbs can safely and effectively improve male performance when used correctly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more natural health and herbal remedy videos. And don't forget to try the free AI Herbalist tool at aiherbalist.pro to find the best remedy for you.